kung bakit ang bansang Pilipinas ay nagtatagumpay ay dahilan sa ministeryo ng PMCC Port Watch. Inihahanda ko ang PMCC Port Watch sa kinabukasang yan. I am preparing the PMCC Port Watch. That's why I am currently campaigning among the pastors, sisimulan sa mga pastor, that right attitude, that right mindset, literally from every single one of these pastors. Because a strong organization must be led by strong leadership. I am setting the PMCC Port Watch. By the grace of God, we now have a brand new headquarters. For 50 years, we never had, we never had any decent, presentable headquarters. But thanks be to God, our late and beloved Apostle Arsenio Ferriol, like David, he prepared